Here is an overview of how YAHSHUA Payroll solution manages your payroll. Let's start from the beginning. All payroll computation begins with timekeeping. YAHSHUA Payroll comes with an integrated timekeeping mobile application with offline capability called the YAHSHUA Timekeeper app. It allows the employee to take a selfie for them to clock in or out. The YAHSHUA Timekeeper is not only limited to timekeeping. It also has an applications module where employees can apply for leave, overtime, undertime, work on rest day, work on holiday, and even apply for cash advances. But here's an amazing feature of the YAHSHUA Timekeeper app that makes it an effective attendance tracker. It has a geolocator or geotagger that tags the employee's geographical location even on offline mode. The employee logs are synced or uploaded to the cloud, which can then be accessed in the YAHSHUA Payroll web app. In the YAHSHUA Payroll web app, we can see the synced employee logs on the timesheets module. Here you can audit, correct, or report the logs. Now, let's take a look at how YAHSHUA Payroll manages application approval and requests. Employees can request for different applications like vacation or sick leaves in the YAHSHUA Timekeeper app. Upon filling out the request form, they will be able to view their leave credits as well. They can also apply for different requests via the YAHSHUA kiosk or employee portal. This is an employee-dedicated application where employees can directly access their personal items like payslip, employee deduction, schedule, daily logs, and memo certificates or agreement. They can also view their leave balances and the history of their requests. The YAHSHUA kiosk also comes in a mobile app with the same capabilities and features as the web version. All the employees' requested applications will be synced in the YAHSHUA Payroll web app under the approval module. This is where the authorized approver can also approve all the employee requests. The approver can also opt to approve different requests using the YAHSHUA Approval app, which is a more compact and approval-specific mobile app. Payroll generation is so easy in the YAHSHUA Payroll web app. With one click, the payroll can be readily generated. After generating the payroll, other reports may then be available, such as payslip, payroll register, payroll summary, accounting entries, accountant's report, regular deduction balances, contribution or loan reports, employee performances, 13th month pay, BIR forms such as 2316 and Alpha List, withholding tax report, last pay, accrual 13th month pay, employment type report, tax report, and so much more. All reports in the system can be exported in Excel format and can be printed as well. Finally, once the generated payroll has been set to paid, the employees can then view their payslip via the YAHSHUA kiosk. Payslips can also be sent to the employee through their email. Well, that's a quick overview of the YAHSHUA Payroll solution. Ready to manage your payroll better? We're here for you. Thank you and God bless.